In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion. We'll keep this simple and practical, using a ready-made template so you can get organized fast, and then make it your own with a few thoughtful tweaks. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're on the site, look for Marketplace. You'll typically find it in the top navigation or within the sidebar. The Marketplace is where Notion curates templates and resources that you can bring directly into your workspace, which saves time and gives you a solid structure from the start. Inside Marketplace, go to the search bar and type To-Do List. This search will show a variety of templates ranging from basic checklists to more advanced task databases. Take a moment to skim the options. Each template usually includes a short description and screenshots so you can tell whether it's designed for personal tasks, team workflows, or something in between. When you find one that fits your style, click it to open the preview. Here you can scroll through example content to get a sense of how it's organized, things like task titles, due dates, status tags, and views such as list, board, or calendar. If it feels right, click Add. This action duplicates the template into your workspace, preserving the structure while allowing you to edit everything freely. With the template added, it's time to customize. Rename the page to something meaningful, like Personal To-Do or Weekly Planner. Tidy up any sample tasks by either editing them with your own items or deleting them to start clean. Look at the properties attached to each task. Common ones include due date, status, priority, and tags. Keep the ones you'll actually use and hide or remove the rest to reduce clutter. Clear, relevant properties make your list faster to maintain. Next, personalize the views. If the template includes a list view, you might add a board view grouped by status for a Kanban-style flow, or a calendar view to see deadlines at a glance. Filters can be powerful. Create a today view that shows only tasks due today, or an overdue view to catch what needs attention. Sorting by priority or due date helps keep the most important work front and center. As you start using the to-do list, keep your updates quick and consistent. Check off items as you complete them, adjust due dates when timelines change, and refine properties as your needs evolve. That's it. You've built a to-do list in Notion using a template and tailored it to fit your workflow.